Hey guys, Alex here from Social Corner Graphics, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can combine different elements from our designs to create your own and have a distinct and unique design to work with. So let's get started. If you have been following this video tutorial series, I explained to you how the file structure is ordered, how you can replace the images, change the fonts and their colors, how you can work with shape layers and smart objects, how you can mask certain things, how you can export using Post Exporter, and now finally let me show you how you can combine the different elements in order for you to create your own perfect design. So let's choose our template that we have been working on from the start, and now we're going to use Move tool for the most of this video. So Move tool is right here. You can choose the shortcut V, and it's set to group. What that does is if you click on the group number 2 in this example and hold your left mouse click, it will move the entire group. But if you set it to layer and click on the layer, for example this text right here, it will only take that text and not the entire group. So that's how it works. Now let's quickly choose what we are going to use. So for example, let's use a background color, this one, drag and drop. So click and drag it to number 2. Let's close all the other ones because we are working with number 2. Open it up. We have color BG, which is that color. So you drag it above the background layer. Let me zoom in a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Control click on the BG. Choose the Move tool so we can move the color BG right here in the middle and right here in the middle. Control D, you can leave it like this, or you can click once again using the Move tool and move it all the way up to the edge. So it can click and move it all the way down to the edge. Now if you don't see these lines, press enter. You can go to View and then click on the rulers, click on the extras and click on the snaps, and it will then show you the lines as well as these rulers. You can leave it like so, or you can click on it, hold shift and then position it to one side, or you can click on it, hold shift alt and then reduce the size like so. So you can have a small line, or you can leave it maybe like so, so the text can go a bit further than the line and the color itself. Now we can leave it like so, or you can for example remove the frame and then we can leave it like this, or maybe we can change and add some different things. So for example, let's add these shapes. So choose this one, drag it to the top, choose this one, drag it to the top. So that's the top color. Close the color folder, click and drag it right here to the top. Close this folder, go back and let's use it. So open up the folder, click Control and click on the BG layer, choose the top color, use the Move tool, align it to the left and align it to the top so it can go right here. Choose the bottom color, align it to the right and align it to the bottom. Control D to deselect, and now we're going to close the color folder and push it below the frame so it can go below our image. And if you want to choose a different image, just watch the video tutorial about it, or you can double click, replace your image, use this one for example, Control S, go back so you can see how it looks like against the different colors, or in our example let's leave it like it is. So let's say you finished your design, or if you are not happy with it, you can for example choose this button, move it right here. So open up number 2, click on the button, position it above the BG, Control click, in the middle, Control D, and now simply move it above all of these colors. You can see how it looks like. Open it up, double click to change the color to this black, for example. Let's choose this one so it can stand out. Click OK. And now we're going to move this text. So click on the text, Control A so you can select it if you want to change it. If not, you can simply hold Shift and left click outside of the text so you can position it right here. And now you have a completely new design. Now to me these colors are a bit much, so I'll simply remove them, leave it like so, perhaps even remove this bottom line. So click right here so you can hide it, and now choose the text from here, choose rectangular marquee tool, zoom in a bit closer so we can click right here, go from the top line to the bottom line, let it click, use the move tool, text is selected, and simply position it in the middle right here, Control D to deselect. And now if I go back, you can see how it looks like. If you think this orange is a bit much, you can double click right here and you can choose whichever color you want to correspond a bit better with your design. So that's how easy it is to combine the elements from the different templates to create your own perfect template. And now when you want to export it, simply go back, click on the group with the move tool selected, and now simply click, drag, drop it inside of your post exporter, position it like so. Now here is our new design, here is our old design. So as you can see, there is quite a big difference already, and you can combine them and play around with them as much as you want. You can use any of these elements, combine them in your designs. So for example, remove these 3 images, add button and add this background color, and so on and so on. Really, there are no limitations, and simply drag and drop them into post exporter, click on the file, save as, and save it as your new design. Upload it to the designated social media and let your followers enjoy your content.